All right, what's up, Rocco? We have stopped here in New Jersey just briefly, and I figured I'd show you this on video because I basically show you all the time, like just landmark features and whatnot, and rivers and stuff. But today I had to do a field repair, which I was planning on. I'll explain. So I keep duct tape right here on my poles, right below the grip, and I always grip my poles as I'm hiking right here. It's kind of random, but I go below the grip, use this little cup thing here, and little holster or stirrup, and I put my hand right there. So what was happening is, in this humidity, which it's been really fierce lately, the humidity's been pretty solid, is all my sweat drips down, and I had some duct tape on there, which just got ruined. Took like no time at all to just ruin it because it was sweat like drenched. So the last hostel I stayed at here in Delaware Water Gap, just a couple miles back, had duct tape. So I took some duct tape, put it on there, and then I was planning on doing this anyway, but I just thought of it again as I'm hiking. I got a plastic bag, ripped it up, took some rubber bands. I really hope that keeps that sweat proof. So anyway, just kind of give you an idea of what I deal with on a day-to-day basis. It's not a whole lot. The stress level that I have is very low, and it's centered around things like that I have to correct. So other than that, I just wake up and I hike every day or take a day off. Either one, it's my choice. So beautiful thing, but I just want to kind of give you a little glimpse of that, kind of give you an idea of that's like literally took 15 to 20 minutes of my day, and it took about, an hour of thought. So that's the kind of stuff that your life boils down to when you're on the trail. It's not the most stressful, complex, intricate thought process. So just wanted to show you that. I just thought off the top of my head that you might kind of get an idea of what I'm going through. I know I showed you a video last time about the trail maintainers and all that, or as far as just not, landmarks. But yeah, we're in New Jersey. So we're heading up to about 3 miles from the backpackers campsite, it's called. And then we're gonna go back down. We're heading to the peak of Mount Kittanani or Kittany, I forget how to say it. We'll probably go we started late today, so we'll probably just go about 12 miles today. 12 to 15 miles. Love you. Bye. Poles are ready. Boom.